Ready to transform your TikToks from basic to brilliant? Let's dive into how to use Capcut, TikTok's best friend, to create videos that grab attention. First, open Capcut. Tap New Project to start a fresh video. And now let's select the clips you want to use from your camera roll. You can select as many clips as you want, and once you have selected all your clips, tap Add at the bottom. Here's where the magic happens. Trim your clips by dragging the edges to cut unwanted parts. Then add text by selecting the text button. Pick the style you like, type your text and place it where you want it to be. Next, enhance your video with effects and transitions. Tap Effects at the bottom and browse through the various options you have. When you find the effect you want, select it and it will automatically be added to your video. Do the same with transitions. Tap Transitions, select your favorite, and it will be added between clips. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it on TikTok. Tap the export icon at the top right corner of the screen and select TikTok. This exports your video directly to TikTok, ready for you to add a caption, hashtags, and share with the world.